Y'all, what's up? We at the shooting range out here, ready to aim fire, out here in Pennsylvania. Got a little time off. Just want to come back to the range and keep them skills up. So we got 4 boxes of ammo. We got 4 9mm right here. We got a Glock 19. We got a Taurus GX4. We got a Savage stance. And we got a Ruger LCP9. So we're gonna start off with the Taurus. We're gonna start off with the Taurus here. It's my target. Let's go ahead and get it in. Let's see what we got. I don't think I've hit nothing. Okay. So that's the Taurus. All right, next we're gonna go with the Savage stance. Let's go with the Savage stance here, y'all. Let's go with the Savage here. Go. Pretty good today. Let's see what we got.